Ever have an outlet or a client call you an outlet in a bathroom or a kitchen not work and you're wondering what it is? 95% chance I can tell you exactly what that is without even seeing it. Okay, so all kitchens, bathrooms, garages after a certain age of house, 1970. Anyway, they have GFCI outlets. Like this outlet right here is not working. And you're like, man, why is it not working? It's because the GFCI has tripped. Now, and that might not be on that outlet. This one's actually controlled by the outlet here. And we'll reset that. So now that one works. And we'll go back over here to outlet, same kitchen, just across the hall. And that one works. So bathrooms and kitchens are equipped with GFCI